Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to make a home bed. Welcome and enjoy. This is how I'm doing my cleaning after roundly. I thank God for that. Yeah, I moved to another single room. Now I'm trying to arrange my bed. Yeah, thank God. I appreciate you guys for watching, for being supportive to my channel. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. Please do. And I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Now I'm going to after cleaning the house, now's the time to spread the bed. I'm trying to make sure the bed cover is well arranged. Yes. I'm now trying to look for the sheets. Yes, I found them. Yes, for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That will be so supportive to me. Yes. Guys, also may you follow me other channels like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Follow me, subscribe to this channel too, but the same name, Florence Manyara. That's how you can find me. Also from my website at writer florenceManyara.art.blog. So you could find me there. Yes, I'm now trying to put the pillows in a pillow cover. I like using one pillow cover with two pillows at the same time. Sometimes I can use one each, but sometimes I can use two in one. Yes. Those I bought each 100 shillings each. It's an affordable price. Yes, I'm now trying to make sure the duvet is well arranged. Yes. I'm now trying to arrange the seat, trying to make sure everything is in good position. I bought that seat around 7,000. I had no cash, but I tried paying a little by little and bought that seat at 7,000 because I was unable to pay until the amount required. But at least the one who made that seat for me, he did a good job. I thank God for using him to be a blessing to me. I'm so grateful. Yes. Check that out. Now I'm done trying to show you what's happening on the ground. Yes, that's how now the bed looks like after arranging it. Yes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You guys nawapenda sana. That's how the seat looks like. Nimeka kitambaa. And that